Hey, future achievers, welcome back to Channel Name, the place where you unlock your full potential. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into one of the most crucial topics for every student, how to perform well and get the grades you dream of. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, stressed out, or unsure how to get the most out of your studies, this video is for you. Okay, let's get right into it. Whether you're in high school, college, or even grad school, performing well as a student doesn't have to feel impossible. You just need the right approach. So grab your notebook, your favorite pen, and let's break it down. The first step to academic success: time management. It's the backbone of achieving your goals and staying on top of your game. Trust me, if you don't organize your time will organize you, and it won't be pretty. Imagine the chaos of missed deadlines and the stress of last-minute cramming. We're talking missed deadlines, last-minute cramming, and a whole lot of stress. Nobody wants that. It's a recipe for disaster and burnout. So how do you become the master of your own schedule? Easy. Use a planner. It's your best friend in this journey. I don't care if it's the coolest app you've ever seen or a good old-fashioned notebook. Just make sure you're writing down everything. And I mean everything. From assignments to personal commitments, assignment deadlines, study sessions, that Zoom meeting with your professor, get it all down on paper. You'll thank me later. Trust me, it's a game changer. But here's the real secret sauce. Plan your day in blocks. This method helps you stay focused and productive. We're talking about dedicating specific chunks of time to specific tasks. It's all about creating a rhythm that works for you. Study for 45 minutes, then reward yourself with a 15-minute break. This technique is known as the Pomodoro technique. This, my friends, is the key to staying focused and avoiding burnout. It keeps your mind fresh and ready to tackle the next task. It's like interval training for your brain. Just like your body needs rest between workouts, your brain needs breaks to function at its best. Remember, time is your most precious resource. Once it's gone, you can't get it back. It's even more valuable than those limited edition sneakers you've been eyeing. Use it wisely. I'm serious, folks. Prioritize your tasks and make the most out of every minute. Time management is the foundation of academic success. It's the skill that will set you apart from the rest. Get it under control, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Your goals will seem more attainable, and your stress levels will decrease. So start planning today and take charge of your academic journey. Next up, we need to talk about studying. It's a topic that often brings a lot of stress and anxiety, but it doesn't have to be that way. And I need to be real with you. Cramming doesn't work. It's a short-term solution that leads to long-term problems. It might help you scrape by on a test, but the knowledge won't stick. You'll find yourself forgetting everything just days later. It's like trying to build a house on a foundation of sand. It's just not gonna last. The structure will crumble and you'll be left with nothing. Instead of cramming, I want you to embrace the power of active studying. This method is far more effective and rewarding. Now, what in the world is active studying? It's simple. It's about engaging with the material in a way that makes it stick. It's all about engaging with the material in different ways. This could mean discussing it with friends, teaching it to someone else, or even just thinking about it in a new context. Don't just passively read your textbook. Wrestle with it. Highlight important points, make notes in the margins, and ask yourself questions as you go. Ask questions, create mind maps, quiz yourself, and teach others what you've learned. These techniques force you to process the information more deeply. The more you interact with the information, the better your brain will remember it. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Try this. After reading a chapter, close the book and write down everything you remember. This will help reinforce what you've learned. You'll quickly see where the gaps in your knowledge are, and that's when the real learning happens. Filling in those gaps solidifies your understanding. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more brain power. You'll feel more confident and prepared. Remember, studying isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding concepts and making connections. This deeper understanding will serve you well in the long run. So ditch the flashcards and get active. Use them as a tool, not a crutch. Your brain will thank you for it. You'll not only perform better on tests, but also retain the knowledge for future use. Chapter 3. Tip 3. Take care of your mind and body. Okay, this next tip is key. You can't perform well if you're running on fumes. Your body and mind are like a finely tuned machine, and they need the right fuel to function properly. Think about it. Would you expect a car to run without gas? Of course not. So why treat your body any differently? Just like a car needs fuel, your body needs proper nutrition, hydration, and rest. To function at your best, you need to take care of your physical and mental health. This means incorporating activities that promote well-being, like meditation, yoga, and eating balanced meals. That means eating healthy foods, and yes, that includes vegetables. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep. These are the basics, but they make a world of difference. Yeah, I said it, sleep. It's not just about the quantity, but also the quality of sleep you get. I know, in the student world, sleep is often seen as a luxury, something you can catch up on once you graduate. But skimping on sleep can seriously affect your cognitive functions and overall health. But here's the thing, your brain needs rest to process information and recharge. A well-rested brain is more efficient and effective. Pulling all-nighters might seem like a good idea in the moment, but it'll only hurt you in the long run. Lack of sleep can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. A well-rested mind is a sharp mind. When you're well-rested, you can think more clearly, retain information better, and perform tasks more efficiently. And don't forget to move your body. Physical activity is just as important as rest. Get outside for a walk, hit the gym, or engage in any form of exercise that you enjoy. It doesn't have to be intense. Even light activities can make a big difference. Or just stretch it out. Regular movement helps to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost overall energy levels. Exercise is a fantastic stress reliever, and it'll help you stay focused and energized. It's a great way to clear your mind and prepare yourself for the challenges ahead, and it'll help you stay focused and energized. When you take care of your body, your mind benefits too. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's essential for success. Self-care is about maintaining a balance that allows you to perform at your best. So, fuel your body and mind right, and make self-care a priority in your daily routine. And you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. When you take care of your mind and body, the sky's the limit. Chapter 4. Tip 4. Set goals and celebrate like you mean it. Alright, achievers, let's talk goals. You've got big dreams, I can feel it. But here's the thing, don't set yourself up for failure with unrealistic expectations. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a 4.0 GPA. Instead of aiming for the stars all at once, start small. Break your long-term goals into manageable chunks. Want to ace that big exam at the end of the semester? Start by setting a goal to master one chapter per week. See? Much more doable, right? And here's the fun part. As you make progress, celebrate your wins. Did you finally conquer that tricky math concept? Treat yourself to an ice cream cone? Did you resist the urge to procrastinate and actually finish that essay early? High-five yourself in the mirror. Those little victories might seem insignificant, but trust me, they'll keep you motivated and on track. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. So enjoy the ride and celebrate your achievements along the way. You deserve it. Chapter 5. Tip 5. Find your crew, the right crew. Alright everyone, we've arrived at the final secret to student success. Who you surround yourself with matters. Think about it. If you're hanging out with people who are constantly goofing off, procrastinating, and just generally not taking their studies seriously, guess what? You're going to be tempted to do the same. It's human nature. Instead of getting sucked into a black hole of distractions, seek out people who share your goals and values. Join study groups, connect with motivated peers, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. The right people will push you to be your best, and they'll be there to celebrate your successes and offer support when you stumble. Whether it's a mentor, a tutor, a group of like-minded classmates, or even your family and friends, surround yourself with a positive and supportive community. It makes all the difference in the world. Alright, that's it for today. If you want to perform well as a student, remember, organize your time, study actively, take care of your mind and body, set achievable goals, and surround yourself with positive people. You've got this. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me which tip you're going to implement first. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips.